Well, there's no reason why this shouldn't work. We've just done the motor wires. So, this is a 12 pole motor. And just have to put that into betaflight. I'll plug it in. Might as well record. Right. Turn me receiver on.
Welcome to HTX. Switch warning. Disarmed. Acro mode. Air mode on.
Well, that's a good sign. We don't have a battery connected, but right, let's see. Motors. So we've got 12 motor poles, bi-directional. So everything is the same. We just literally need to plug in a battery. Plug in my little baby 3-cell. This is a tiny one. 380 milliamp hour. It can't supply the power, but it will be alright for testing betaflight.
Camera power button. Buzzer active. Air mode on.
That's still working. Got a full battery. The motor's made a noise. It's all plugged in. Are there any wires in the way? No. Yes, we know the seriousness. Right, let's just put my finger on there. Because I don't know if they're in the right direction. Oh, that's a good start. That one's working. That one's working. That one's working. Where are we? That one's working. Right, we just need to check the direction now. Let's see. Motor direction. So, right. I understand I have taken the propellers off. Right, number one. Which way is it going? It's pushing outwards. That's right. Let's try number two. I always get confused, right? I think that one's going, God knows. Please just shove one of these on. They're flinging outwards. Yeah, I think that one's flinging outwards. Yeah, that one is. Number three. So I'm going to overheat the ESC, so we need to get a bit of a wiggle on. Oh, number three as going inwards. We need to reverse that. No. Okay, normal. We want. Yeah, that one's right. So, close. Don't have to save and reboot. No. Disconnect. Just turn that off in case we get in there a bit overheaty. Right, let's try that again, just to make sure. Number 1. That's going outwards. Number 2. That's going outwards. Oh, number 3. Yeah, that one's going outwards. Number 4. Oh. Number 4. Yeah, that one's going outwards. Lovely. We'll close that. We'll do a save, backup. This will be our new motor backup. So new motors.
Sensor lost. Sensor lost.
No, it's 65. That's all right. So it all looks good in the hood, I guess. Right, let's disconnect that. Turn the goggles off. Now I've just got to... Where's the camera I had? A Flywoo box. Ah, here it is. So this is a Flywoo Nano camera someone gave me, V3. It's quite new, but it's got Cadex FPV stamped on it. So we're going to try that.